Welcome to the initial enrollment introduction video. First, we register the FIDO2 biometric authentication dongle into a FIDO backend database. Later, the IoT device registration will check on this dongle and database for authorization. Therefore, we now register an installer named customer with his fingerprint to give only him the access rights. By this, we make name and password authentication obsolete. Our own device management portal is a database for the initial enrollment process and the management of firmware versions and over-the-air updates. Connecting the device by USB powers the MCU and gives us the bootloader debug output log. The device is only pre-programmed with the bootloader and a unique ID. Here, this is Bob, and this is assigned to firmware 55. This firmware is the FIDO double beam binary file. Now we use our module registration tool to start the initial enrollment. This tool needs to be authorized by the FIDO dongle and verified by the identity provider database. The installer utility commands the IoT device over the local serial connection to create a secret code verifier. Our tool will save that securely into the initial enrollment database. The IoT device is now registered and can work remotely on Ethernet connection only. Without firmware, the bootloader will check the internet connection, start the zero-knowledge SRP protocol, and will download the latest designated firmware and PKI certificates. Once the IoT device application is started, it will connect with the TLS protocol to the application-specific cloud, here our Microsoft Azure IoT Hub. We must switch the power on, of course. The end user can now control all the implemented functions like dimming in our demo here. The over-the-air firmware update can be initiated from our device management portal for all individual devices. As you can see, the LED double beam is connected and we can trigger the bootloader for the SRP protocol and initiate the secured update remotely. Again, the status LED is blinking fast during the download. And just a second later, the application firmware starts and the TLS connection to the cloud is established again. We can also control the IoT device with the application's web frontend again. Thanks for your interest. We hope you enjoyed watching.